In this video, I'm going to talk about SMS marketing for bars and clubs. Why would you want to use SMS marketing to market a bar or club? Well, this is one of the niches that it's really good for because, again, most people have cell phones and more people have cell phones than computers. And a lot of times these people have their cell phones on them at all times. So when they're out partying and stuff, you could send out a text message and let them know to come to, this establishment for a free cocktail, free appetizer, whatever it may be. And again, you get better open rates and better response rates because they have their phones on them at all times. And when they get a text message, they want to open that up immediately and see who it is, who it's from, what it has to say, and everything like that. And chances are, if it's a bar that they go to on a regular basis and you're sending them out, discount codes or something like that, you're going to get a good response and they're going to increase foot traffic and drink sales in your bar. And the great thing with this is it can be used over and over again because people are going out all the time, every day of the week. It just depends on what kind of person it is and what your clientele's like as to when you should send these out. But alcohol sales have, been consistent over the since the beginning of time, basically. People enjoy drinking and going out and socializing. So this is a really great way to capitalize on that. And again, with pretty much any other niche, it's a way to be unique over your competitors, and no one is really doing this, so this is going to make you stand out and make people want to come to your establishment. This is also a great way to get repeat business by offering different drink specials, VIP specials, free cover charge, whatever it may be, buy one, get one free, something like that. You can just, use your imagination, but a lot of times people will go where they can get things for free. And if you send out different free offers to your list or your quote unquote VIP list, chances are you're going to get a lot more foot traffic in the door. So now that we've talked about SMS marketing, we need to go one step further and go take a look at mobile optimized websites. And what that is basically a website that's a slimmed down version and scaled back version of your main online website. But it's geared to display better and have just the pertinent information to display on smartphone screens that are way smaller than standard computer screens. And when you don't have a mobile optimized website, things don't display as easy, it's not as easy to navigate, you lose people's attention quicker because they can't find the information they're looking for. So when you're doing SMS marketing, you want to keep in mind that you also really want to try and have a mobile optimized version of your website. So now I'm going to show you an example of a non-mobile optimized website and a mobile optimized website. Okay, here is the website for Hooters.com, and it's a nice looking website, but as you can see, it's really hard to navigate and find what you're looking for because you can't see where anything's at. You have to scroll around to try and find it and hope that you're scrolling in the right direction. So if I wanted to find and call a store, luckily it's straight down from the top. But if I didn't, have a few minutes to look around for that, I probably wouldn't even use this website to try and find the information I was looking for. Now we're going to go to a mobile optimized website I found that looks really good. It's super simple, has all the information you need. This is for the Green Iguana Bar and Grill, and it's got their story, the menu, events and specials, locations, and contact us. And it has this nice thing here for external links where you can go to their full website if you want. You can go to Twitter and Facebook. So they have a few different options. I generally like to keep it at 5 options or less. Some people like to do other things, just depends on what business you like. But say, for instance, you click here, it takes you to their locations and gives you their phone number. If you click on one of the locations, it'll give you directions to whatever location you're clicking on. So as you can see, it just has the information that you definitely need, but it doesn't have any more. And it displays properly where all you have to do is scroll down to find the information. You don't have to scroll left and right hoping that you're scrolling in the right direction. So now that we've looked at mobile optimized websites, I want to give you a couple examples of things that you could use in order to use SMS marketing for your bar or your club. These are made up, but they're just, ideas that you could tweak and take and make them your own and run with them for your own business. The first one is Buck's Bar and Billiards, and Buck offers a free game of pool to everyone who signs up on his SMS list. After they sign up, he sends them weekly text messages with various free giveaways like a free drink, free appetizer, free game of darts, etc. And that way, he's always in communication with them and continually offering free things that aren't always the same. And he sends them out on different days in order to never, let them fall into a routine. Maybe one day he'll send out a free game of billiards on a Friday, and then they come in on Friday and they get that. And the next week it'll be on a Wednesday, he'll give you a free appetizer. So that way you have to come in on that day. It's a different way to, generate the sense of urgency to actually come in to get that special right then. The next one we're going to look at is the Luxury Lounge. And the Luxury Lounge is a swanky place. In order to advertise their SMS list, they offer a discount on bottle service. Normally it costs $150 a bottle, and pretty much everybody in there buys a bottle, so that's not a big deal. But when you sign up, it costs $100 a bottle instead of $150. And they buy their liquor wholesale, so they're still making a profit, and they're gaining subscribers who they text discount offers to once a week. And again, like Bucks, they do it on different days of the week, so that way they keep the subscribers guessing and nobody falls into a routine of always knowing when the discount's going to come. And it creates that sense of urgency to get back there for that discount.